Good morning, students. So today I am going to deal with next part of the result, that is function. Yesterday we are discussing about relations. Now relations and different types of relation and solving the problems. So types of relation mere problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay. So next part is function. Now here define function, then different types of functions. As you know that in earlier classes, that is in first PU, you know the concept of function. Define function and different types of functions in real numbers. What are those? Constant function, identity function, signum function, greatest integer function, modulus function, polynomial function, and so on. In addition to those, some more types of functions. Now let us study it one by one. Now here first part is define function. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ function ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Look here. Consider two sets. If A and B are any two non-empty sets. Any two non-empty sets. Non-empty means having some elements. Empty set means having no elements. Okay. A and B are any two non-empty sets. Then if different elements of first set, distinct elements of first set is associated with unique element, at least one element. Unique means at least one element in the set B is called a function. Remember, different elements of first set is associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B is called a function, which is written as f from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Now here f is a function from A to B, or function is a rule in which all the elements of a set, different elements of a set, distinct elements of a set is associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B is called a function, and it is written as f is a function from A to B. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತು B ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವು. These two are non-empty sets. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ associated with unique element, at least one element in the second set B is called a function, and it is written as f from A to B. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರೂಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ all the elements of a set is associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B is called a function. Okay, now here the first set A is called domain. The first set A is called domain. The second set B is called what? Codomain. The second set B is called codomain, and the set of all images under the function f, the set of all images under the function f, that is known as range of the function. Range of the function. The first set A is called domain, second set B is called codomain, and set of all images under the map, under the function f, that is known as range of the function. Range of the function. Look here. Now take one simple example using Venn diagram. Identify whether is it function or not. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. f is a function from a to b. A set consisting of 5 elements a b c d e. B is a set consisting of 5 elements 1 2 3 4 5. Now verify. Is it function or not? Yes, clearly it is a function because all the elements of a set, different elements of a set will have different images. All the elements of a set associated with unique element in the second set. The first set A is called domain, second set B is called codomain, and the set of all images ಈ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ elements images ಏನು ಬಂದಿದಾವ, that is known as range. Now clearly f is a function from A to B. Be a function. Now what is domain? Domain is equal to A set. And ಯಾವುದು A B C D E. This is domain. Codomain is B set. Second set B is called codomain. That is 1 2 3 4 5. Then what is range? Range of the function. Range means what? Set of images under the function f. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ elements images ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ. So that range is also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, clearly it is a function. Take another example. Second example using Venn diagram. Identify is it function or not. F from A to B. A is a set consisting of 4 elements A B C D. B set consisting of 4 elements. Verify. Is it function or not? Yes or no? Yes, it is a function because all the elements of a set associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B. ಎಲ್ಲ elements images ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Clear it is a function. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. It is a function, isn't it? All the elements of the first set associated with unique element in the second set B. Therefore it is a function. Clearly f is a from A to B. Be a function. Okay. And also it is known as, another name is, this example is many one function. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ many one, many ಎಲ್ಲ elements images one ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That is known as many one function. It is a function as well as many one function. Now here what is domain? Domain is first set, that is A set. What is codomain? Codomain is B set, right? B set containing 1 2 3 4. Domain is A set, that is containing A B C D. Okay, what is range? Range ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Range of f is equal to only one element 2. 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, 4 ಇಲ್ಲ. So 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. So range is, clearly it is a function and also it is known as many one function. Okay, then what about this? Third example. ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು A B C D E. B set containing 5 elements. Is it function or not? No, it is not a function. Why, sir? Because image of element A is associated with 2 elements. One element ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So it is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because image of element A, because image of element A in the set A is associated with 2 elements. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ It is a function and also known as many one function. But it is not a function because image of element A is associated with two elements, so that is not a function. ಇದು function ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಾ? So another example, verify whether is it function or not. A set, B set, A set containing 5 elements, B set containing again 5 elements. Check it. Is it function or not? Yes or no? No. Why? Because image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B. A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, so it is not a function because image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B. Therefore it is not a function. Function ಆಗೋದಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Here f from A to B is not a function. ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Why? Because image of element E in the set A is not associated. Other image ಇಲ್ಲ, B set ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ, is not associated in the set B. Right? ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, so it is not a function. Clear students? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾರ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? All the elements of a set is associated with unique element, at least one element, single element in the set B is called a function. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, at least one element ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ it is a function. ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರದು. That is the definition of function. Okay. The first set A is called domain, second set B is called codomain, and the set of all images under the map F, under the function F, that is known as range of the function. Okay, now the first example is function, second example is also function, and also it is known as many one function. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ that is known as many one function. It is a function as well as many one function. Third example, it is not a function. Why? Because image of element A in the set A associated with two elements, so that is not a function. ಒಂದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so that is not a function. What about this? That is also not a function because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿತು, ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, so it is not a function because image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B. ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, so it is not a function. Clear students? So I will repeat once again. Define function. Function is a rule in which distinct elements of first set A is associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B is called a function. The first set A is called domain of the function, second set B is called codomain of the function, and the set of all images under the map F, that is known as range of the function. Now here in first example, domain is A, B, C, D, E, codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, range is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, all elements images ಇದೆ, so all elements images ಇತ್ತು na, that is also range. Here in second example, domain is A, B, C, D, codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is range? ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? range is only 2. What about this? First of all, it is not a function. Function ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Fourth one, that is not a function. Clear? Oh. So next, different types of functions. Different types of functions. Now first type is 1-1 function. 1-1 function. Another name of 1-1 function is injective function. Injective function. Type number 2, onto function. Another name of onto is surjective function. Surjective function. Type number 3, bijection. Bijection. Type number 4, inverse function. Type number 4 is inverse function. Type number 5, composite function. Composite function. There are 5 important types of functions, namely 1-1 function. Another name of 1-1 is injective. Second type, onto function. Another name of onto function is surjective. Then third type is bijection. Then fourth type is inverse function. Type number 5, composite function. Very simple definition. Okay. Now let us discuss about one by one. So first one, yaudu 1-1 function. 1-1 function. Another name of 1-1 is injective function. A question definition. 1-1 made for each other. One element is one image here. That is known as 1-1 function. One element is one image here. So define 1-1 function. A function f from a to b. Remember, a function f from a to b is said to be 1-1 function or injective function. If the condition different elements of a set will have different images in the second set B. Distinct elements of a set will have distinct images in the B, in the set B. That is known as 1-1. 1-1. One element is one image made for each other. Not 1:2. 1:1 only. One element is there, other one image. Innone element is innone separate image. So different elements of a set will have different images. Now for example, using Venn diagram, identify is it 1-1 or not. Say A is a set consisting of 4 numbers, B is a set consisting of 4 numbers. Okay. Is it 1-1 function or not? Yes, here it is 1-1. One element is one image. One element is different elements of set A will have different images. So image of A is 2. In symbol we write f of A is equal to 2. Image of B is 1. Mathematical we write f of B is equal to 1. F of B is equal to 1 means image of B is 1. Next, f of C is 4. F of C is 4 means image of C is 4. Then f of D, image of D is 3. Different elements of a set will have different images. That is known as 1-1. Made for each other. One element is one different image. Clearly this is 1-1 function. This is 1-1 function. What about this? Is it 1-1 function or not? A, B. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Is it 1-1 function? No. In A image 2 ಇದೆ, B image 2 ಇದೆ. 2:1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is not 1-1. 1-1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Image of element in first set A will have another image in the set B. Different elements of a set will have different images in the set B. So this is not 1-1. It is not 1-1. But how function idu? Not 1-1. This is many one function. ಎರಡು element one element meet ಆಗಿದೆ. That is many one function. But it is not 1-1 function. Okay. What about this? Whether is it 1-1 function or not? Check it. A and B. A is a set consisting of A, B, C, D, E. B is set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 1, 1 function? No. Image of A is 1, okay. Image of B is 2, okay. Image of C is 3, okay. One element, one image. Make for each other. But ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 is to 1. Image of B is 4. Image of B is also 4. That is not 1, 1. This is not 1, 1. 1, 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಡಬಂತ? So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು verify. Is it 1, 1 or not? A, B, A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 1, 1 function? Image of A is 3, different element. Image of B is 4, different element. Image of C is 5. Image of D is 2. Is it 1, 1 or not? Yes. Here it is 1, 1. That is different elements of a set will have different images. It is 1, 1 function. Another name of 1, 1 is injective function. Here 1 to 1. Just check it out. One element ಗೆ one image. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. 1, 1 made for each other. One element, one image. Now here this is one element, one image. One element, one image. One element, one image. But here two element, one image. So it is not 1, 1. This is 1, 1 or not? Yes. One element is one separate image. Image of A is 2, image of B is 1, image of C is 4, image of B is 3. Different elements of first set will have different images in the second set. That is known as 1, 1. Okay. In general, ಇದನ್ನೇ another type of definition of 1, 1 function. ಇದು using Venn diagram ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A function f from A to B is said to be 1, 1 function. Another type of definition of 1, 1. A function f from A to B is said to be 1, 1 function if in general say image of x1 is equal to image of x2. In general implies elements must be equal. x1 is equal to x2. Or image of x1 is not equal to image of x2 implies x1 is not equal to x2. He could define model. He could define 1, 1 function. A function f from A to B is said to be 1, 1 if in general image of x1 f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Take one simple example. Now the question, let f is a function from R to R. R to R means set of real number to real number. Defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. Linear function is given. Now show that f is 1, 1 function or not. You know the definition of 1, 1. In Tobeko, take f of x1 equal to f of x2. Either use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು to prove that x1 is equal to x. Oh, now take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now to prove that x1 is equal to x2. Then only it is 1, 1. F of x value 3x plus 4. Instead of x, here the term x1. Replace x by x1. What happened? 3x1 plus 4. Replace x by x2. 3x2 plus 4. Right? Simplify. 3x1 plus 4 minus 3x2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Take equal on right side. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So then 3x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0, or 3x1 is equal to 3x2 divided by 3, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the given function is 1, 1. They will ask in final exam, verify the function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 4 is 1, 1 or not. Clearly it is 1, 1 function. Adavanta, take another example. F from n to n. N to n means set of natural number to natural number. Defined by f of x is equal to x squared. Very fun. The function f is 1 1 r naught. Definition of 1 1 use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ ಇದನ್ನ f of x1 to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Or another method, try and error method using Venn diagram. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ n to n. n means what? Set of natural number. What are natural numbers? Counting number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. Here also same set. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. Right? f of x equal to x squared. This is x. First set is x, that is domain. Second set is x squared, codomain. Take one by one. Put x equal to 1. X value 1 naked 1 square 1. Right? Put x equal to 2. 2 square, how much? 4. Put x equal to 3. 3 square, 9. Put x equal to 4. 4 square, 16. And so on. Is it 1 or not? Yes. Different elements of a set will have different images. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. Is it 1 or not? Yes, here it is 1 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Given f of x1 is equal to f of x2. To prove that x1 is equal to x2, then only it is 1 1. Now f of x value x squared, replace x by x1. x1 square is equal to x2 square. Taking the square root on both sides, x1 is equal to x2. Right? So f of x1 to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, the function f from n to n is 1 1. Clear? If you take another example, is it 1 1 or not? You may check my right now. Another example, f from z to z. Z means integers. Positive integer, negative integer, including 0. Okay. Defined by f of x is equal to x squared. Very fun. Whether that function is 1 1 or not. Try and error method using Venn diagram. Check it. Check ಮಾಡಿ Venn diagram use ಮಾಡೋಣ. Z to z. Z means integers. All are integers. What are the integers? Positive number, negative number, including 0. 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 and so on. Here same set. 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 and so on. Right? Defined by f of x. X is domain, x square is codomain. Put 1 by 1, put x equal to 0, 0 square, 0. Right? Put x equal to 1, 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 1 square, 1. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ yes sir it is 1 1. Don't say like that. You have to verify remaining numbers. ಒಂದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು yes it is 1 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ check remaining numbers. Put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 elements ಗೆ 1 element ಮೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. No 1 1 ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ 1 1 1 means what? ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 0 ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, 1 ಬಂದು -1 ಗೂ ಕೂಡ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1. 1 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ f of 1 is equal to 1. f of plus 1 is 1 and f of minus 1 is also 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of minus 1 is 1, f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, f of x1 equal to f of x2. Implies, is it 1 is equal to minus 1? No, 1 is not equal to minus 1. So, function from set of integer to integer defined by f of x equal to x square is not 1 1. Because f of 1 is equal to 1, f of minus 1 is also 1. That is two different elements associated with single image. So it is not 1 1. F of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 implies, is it 1 is equal to minus 1? Is it true? No, not true. 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, the given function is not 1 1. So definition of one is, remember ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ತರ? A function f from a to b is said to be one function if different elements of a set is associated with different images in the second set B is called one function. Or in other words, a function f from a to b is said to be one function if in general or f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Now for example, f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 4. Verify whether this function is 1 or not. Now definition of 1 is take f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies to prove that x1 is equal to x2. Since f of x value 3x plus 4, replace x by x1. X is the x1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3x1 plus 4 is equal to 3x2 plus 4. Simplify 3x1 plus 4 minus 3x2 minus into plus minus 4 is equal to 0 plus 4 minus 4 cancel. 3x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0 or 3x1 is equal to 3x2. 3 cancel. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the given function is one function. There is another example, function from n to n defined by f of x equal to x square. Whether is it one function or not? Yes, either it is one, that is n to n is natural number. These are the natural numbers. Now f of x is domain. Right side x square is codomain. Okay, so put x is 1 square 1. Put x is 2 square 4. X is 3 square 9. X is 4 square 16. Different elements of a set will have different images. One element to one different image is coming. Clearly it is a function. You remaining numbers will otherwise think ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ all the elements of a set will have different images in the second set. Different image. ಅವೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಈ 1 ಬಂತು 2 ಕೂಡ 1 ಇರಬಾರದು. Different elements of a set will have different images in the second set. That is known as one function. Take another example, f from set of integer to integer defined by f of x equal to x square. Verify whether this function is one or not. Z means set of integers. What are integers? Positive number, negative number including 0. The integers are 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 and so on. Similarly here same number of integers. Now take one by one. F of x equal to x square. X is domain. Second set x square is codomain. Take one by one. Put x is 0. 0 square is 0. Image of 0 is 0. Put x is 1. 1 square is 1. Put x is minus 1. Minus 1 square is also 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದೆ? Image of 1 is equal to 1. Image of minus 1 is also 1. So LHS are equal. F of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 because f of 1 value 1. F of minus 1 value is also 1. So that f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. In general, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies is it x1 is equal to x2? What is x1 value? 1. x2 value minus 1. Is it 1 is equal to minus 1? No. 1 is not equal to minus 1. So this is not one function. one ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a function f from a to b is said to be one if different elements of a set associated with different images in the second set. That is distinct elements of a set will have distinct images in the second set. Another definition of one a function f from a to b is said to be one if in general f of x1 is equal to f of x2 means image of x1 is equal to image of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Remember that definition, most important. They will ask in final exam. This definition concept ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು problem ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Check, verify whether a given function is one function or not. So another name of one function is injective function. Injective ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, one function ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Okay. So next onto function. Okay. So one clear ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So remaining types: onto function, type number 3; bijective function, type number 4; inverse function, type number 5; composite function. Okay. Now let us discuss remaining types in next class. Okay, students. Thank you.